I am going to pull the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no. It's the principal.
Bizarre. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 31 weeks. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Bizarre's parents. Your daughter Bizarre pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 31 weeks. Can you ground her? Okay. Goodbye.
Bizarre. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 31 weeks. That's it. You are grounded for 318 months.
Go to your room right now. Why?